Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. AWS Lambda is a serverless computing service that allows you to run code without provisioning or managing servers. When you create a Lambda function, it can be triggered by various events, such as changes to data in an S3 bucket, updates to a DynamoDB table, or an HTTP request through API gateway. When the Lambda function is triggered, it receives an event object that contains information about the triggering event. In this tutorial, we'll explore the AWS Lambda Python event object and provide a code example to demonstrate how to work with it. The event object is a parameter passed to the Lambda function handler when it is triggered. Its structure varies depending on the event source. For example, an S3 event object will have different properties compared to a DynamoDB event object. For demonstration purposes, let's consider a simple AWS Lambda function triggered by an API gateway HTTP request. The event object for an API gateway event typically includes information such as HTTP method, headers, and request body. Let's create a Lambda function using Python and API gateway as the trigger. We'll print information from the event object to the CloudWatch logs. Now, let's write the Python code for the Lambda function. Congratulations! You've created a Lambda function, triggered it using API gateway, and explored the AWS Lambda Python event object. This example demonstrates how to access information from the event object and use it in your Lambda function.